Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CosmoLex, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with CosmoLex, start by visiting the official website. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on this button to access the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click sign in. For new users, you'll need to register for an account. To do this, look for the Sign Up option, usually found near the login area. Click on Sign Up and fill out the required information. Be sure to provide a valid email address, as you will need to verify it. After submitting your details, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the website and log in. After logging in, you will be directed to the CosmoLex dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. If you require assistance, explore the help or support sections. You can also access community forums for additional resources. To integrate CosmoLex with other tools, navigate to the Integrations tab. Select the specific service you want to connect with. Follow the prompts to complete the integration setup. Make sure to authorize any required permissions when prompted. Once connected, test the integration to ensure everything is functioning correctly. For any issues, consult the troubleshooting guides provided on the website. Feel free to reach out to customer support if you need further assistance. Regularly check for updates to maximize your use of CosmoLex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.